He's a maniac, maniac. Do the dance, Paul.
Huh?
He's a maniac.
Blow him a head bob.
Oh, I bet you've just been dreaming of this, eh? Wes hosing you down.
What's that?
You've been dreaming of this moment. So I took you took him to the swamp.
Huh? We took the easy route, but
That hill was fucking nuts.
yeah. I took him up the steep hill because it goes right down to the river.
The Hill of Death?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How was the Hill of Death on you, Paul?
Good, good.
I gave him a walk through, it was good.
We talked about the Hill of Death. We didn't venture that way.
No.
Did you do the loop down by the river? Did you head it? You went
We
in.
did the loop there.
Yeah.
We,
How was that stump getting over?
stump.
Yeah, if you went down to the bottom of the river, down the Hill of Death, and then you went
back
out.
up it.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't want to do the stump.
Yeah. We gotta take a chainsaw out there. Cool, so you had fun.
Yeah.
Yay!